And finishing up with the cosmological argument, science has basically said that time, space, and matter all started in one time. This is proven pretty much with Einstein's theory of relativity. That time, space, and matter started at the same moment. That's when everything was created. And so that fits perfectly with what the Bible says. Genesis 1:1 says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." So listen to this. In the beginning, that's time. God created the heavens, that's space, and the earth, that is matter. Time, space, and matter is all right there in Genesis 1. Also, that is a Trinity, which Trinity, as we get into Christianity, is going to become very important. But you see it in the very first phrase of the Bible, the Trinity of time, space, and matter. Our science says that they all started at one time. The theory of relativity says it started at one time. Science calls it the Big Bang Theory. And yet the Bible says, in the beginning, God said, "Let there be a bang," and there was a bang. And everything was created. Now, watch this. In the beginning, time. Look at how we measure time. Time is a Trinity. Past, present, and future. And so time itself is a Trinity. In the beginning, God created the heavens. That is space. How do we measure space? We measure space by length, width, and breadth. That is the triune. It's a Trinity. Length, width, and depth. Length, width, and depth. And so that is a Trinity. And then God created the heavens and the earth. How do we measure matter? Gas, solid, and liquid. That is a Trinity also. And so right here in Genesis 1, you have God talking about what science calls the Big Bang Theory. It is a Trinity, and then each Trinity, each part of the Trinity are three in one. And so you have Trinities within Trinities within Trinity within the Trinity. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. And that fits perfectly with the cosmological idea. That fits perfectly with the idea of the Big Bang. And so what it should cause you to do, if nothing else, is to ask yourself, which really takes more faith? To believe that all of this just happened? That cause and effect just happened? That's the atheist view and the agnostic view. Or does it make more sense logically, analytically, sequentially? Does it make more sense that behind all of this there is a mind that we call God?